Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn arrow function in Dart programming language. Remember that same concept we have in JavaScript also, arrow function. This type of concept we also have in Java, lambda expression. But these in sense of Dart is different. How they are different, we are going to learn. So I say 19 arrow function dot Dart. I say void main, and here I just use the main function. Now I create an arrow function. So arrow function. How to declare this function? For arrow function, we have return type first. So I say return type. Then we have function name. Then we have parenthesis. And we have parameter also if we want. Then we have arrow symbol. Then we have expression. Remember, this is the syntax. Now I call this. Now I create first arrow function in. For that I say void display like this arrow. I say print. I say welcome to Dart arrow function like this. Remember, display. So return type, function name, parenthesis, arrow. I'm not passing any parameter, so this is one optional. Then we have the expression. I call it. How to call it? I say display. This one, simple one. I run it. I say Dart run arrow function, simple one. Now second arrow function with parameter. I say void sum. I say int n1, int n2. Then I say arrow like this. Then I say print. I say sum of two numbers equal to, then this, then bracket. Then I say n1 plus n2. Then like this. Simple. This is also arrow function. Now I call it sum. I say this value I am passing here. Remember this return type, function name, parameter, arrow, and this expression. I run it. Once again, I create one more arrow function like this with return value. So I say sum. I can say multiply mul. I say return value is int here. Then in place of this print statement, because no print is required now, and I say num1 multiply by num2. Remember, direct return value. No need to require return keyword. If you put return keyword, it will generate error. Okay, simple one. This one. Then I call it here. I say mul, pass the value. But where we have to print? We have to print under the print. So I say multiply equal to, and I say expression like this. Calling this double quote print. Okay, now I run this program and you see multiply equal to this. Remember, this is the way to create arrow function in Dart. But the problem here, the drawback here is you can give only single expression here. Remember, if you give two expressions like here in this, if I say two statements like this and one like this, so it is error. Why? Because only one statement is valid. You can't put two lines. If you put curly brackets here, then it will also generate error. So it's not possible to declare multiple expressions in arrow function. Only single line of expression you can use. So we can say one line function also. Arrow function, we can also say one line function, or we can say single line function. Better word is the single line function. One line function or single line function. So this is the way to declare arrow function in Dart. But as compared to JavaScript, because in JavaScript we can use multiple expressions in arrow function, but here in Dart we can't use multiple expressions. Only single line expression is valid here like this in Dart. But now question rise, how we can use arrow function for multiple lines? So there is no arrow function for multiple line. We have another concept is called lambda functions or anonymous function that we are going to learn in next video. These lambda expressions we also called in Java lambda expressions. So we can call lambda expressions or lambda function or anonymous function, whatever you feel yourself. So we will see this concept in next video. If you like arrow function concept in Dart, please share this video to your friend, subscribe my channel, like this video, and also thank you for watching this video.